With advanced steel, you can drive steel fabrication by creating NC DXF files for plates from the 3D model. In most cases, a fabricator needs just one face of a plate to be included in the DXF file. To achieve this, navigate to the Management Tools section before you create NC DXF files for plates. Set the default option to create one side only for plate DXF output as found under the DSTV NC and DXF category. Remember that there may be specific cases where your NC DXF file will need to contain both sides of the plates, as is the case for plates with asymmetrical cuts and/or holes on both sides. Another new default setting lets you define the suffix for the file name. This is used for NC DXF files where the creation of both plate sides is necessary. Once you have created NC DXF files for plates based on these two defaults, you will see the resulting files in the Document Manager, and you can preview the content of each file by going to the Preview tab. These new features help you automatically create only those views which are necessary in NC DXF files for plates, resulting in a more streamlined fabrication process.